This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. The Samsung Galaxy M14 5G is an affordable smartphone that offers 5G connectivity, a large battery and a decent camera setup. This smartphone display has 6.6-inch Full HD Plus screen with 90 Hz refresh rate. Processor is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1330 chipset. This smartphone available in two variants: 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage and 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. The storage can be expanded up to 1 terabyte using a micro SD card. This smartphone comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery which supports 25-watt fast charging. This smartphone has a rear camera and front camera. In rear side, it has a triple camera setup with 50 MB main sensor, 2 MB macro lens, and 2 MB depth sensor. And it has a 13 MB selfie camera for taking selfies. And this smartphone runs on Android 13 operating system with Samsung's One UI 5.1. This smartphone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the display. What are the pros of this smartphone? First point is long-lasting battery life. The 6000 mAh battery ensures extended usage without frequent charging. Second point is good daylight photography. The 50 MB main camera captures clear and vibrant photos in well-lit conditions. Third point is adequate performance. The Exynos 1330 processor handles everyday tasks smoothly. Fourth point is 5G connectivity. Supports 5G networks for faster internet speeds. What are the cons of this smartphone? First point is bulky design. Weighing 206 grams, the phone feels a bit heavy. Second point is no charger included. The package does not come with a charger. Only a USB Type-C cable is provided. Third point is lacks ultra-wide camera. The camera setup does not include an ultra-wide lens. Fourth point is no IP rating. The device lacks official water and dust resistance certification. What are the customer feedbacks? The user appreciate the impressive battery life, noting that it lasts through a full day of heavy use and up to 2 days with lighter use. The daylight camera performance is praised for producing detailed and vibrant images. However, some customers mention the phone's heaviness and express disappointment about the absence of a charger in the box. In US, the price ranges from $140 to $170. In India, the price ranges from 12,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees.